Hey, John Kavakis here with another My Take, and today we've got the Brooklyn Collectors Club 2023 Club Model, a 1955 Plymouth Belvedere. It's got some new and fairly exciting features for a white metal model, so let's take a look at it. The BCC is celebrating their 36th year this year, and they've been offering a special club model since 1989. The first one was 37 Chevy and off-white, but there have been a lot more since then. Some of them have become fairly iconic. They're exceptionally hard to find in the secondary market. Collectors just grab them up. Let's take a look at the complete listing on hobbydb.com. Pretty impressive, huh? Well, let's take a look at the latest one, which might be the best one yet. Now here's the packaging. It's traditional Brooklyn packaging. We're all familiar with the box. You get the model out of the box, and once you open it up, there's some surprises in here. There's just a lot of material. You got a top up, top down feature, you got a hard top feature, and you have left and right skirts. Now this is new. They even give you a tool to help you put the skirts on. But you're going to want to have to get everything out of the package. Just take everything off carefully so you don't ruin the liner. There's a whole lot of finger fun here. There's top up, there's top down. You've got the skirts left and right. You even have a tool to help you put the skirts on. The skirts are a little tricky, and it's going to take a little bit of practice. My first couple times were a little bit awkward, but once I did it once or twice, it became a lot easier. And you can see the tool's really helpful. Sometimes you need a second tool to help get everything up and in place. But then you got to decide whether or not you want to display it with the skirts or without the skirt. There's the top up feature, very nicely done outside and inside. The liner looks realistic. You got the hard top feature, and it's just a beautiful model. And if you're going to do it with skirts, you're going to put the other side on. You can see it's kind of hard to see exactly what I'm doing, but the tool helps get the second skirt in place. And I just like the look with the skirts. For me, it's classy. I grew up with cars in our neighborhood having skirts on them, and I just think Brooklyn's done a wonderful job here. The model's pretty impressive all on its own, but there's such a wide variety of ways you can display it. Let's take a look at it on the turntable and see some of those variations. there it is. Hey, let's talk about this interior for just a second or two. You know, when this model was first introduced, I had my reservations about the interior color. And some of the early pictures showed a pretty bright pink along with the coral and the black. And of course, those were taken right out of the brochure. That was something that Plymouth offered. But I got to tell you something, in person, they've done a great job of blending those colors. It looks really good. So it's a model with a whole lot of variations that hardtop fits almost perfectly. Brooklyn's done a really good job on that. So if you're a member of the BCC, you had the opportunity to pre-order this model last year. They're pretty much sold out. There might be one or two left over. I'll give you the information to contact Mo Brown, John Scrivens, John Boyer, whether or not they have any left over. But, you know, this is a promise. This is a great model. They've done a fantastic job on it. The next one is going to be maybe even nicer. So you're going to want to become a member now. And so here's contact information, and I'm going to give you a peek at the next model. I got you there, didn't I? I'm sorry, that was cruel. I don't know what the next model is going to be, but I do know that it's going to be another fantastic model. They're always collectible, they're always well done, they're always different from a standard Brooklyn issue. So you're going to want to get in touch with Mo and John right away to become a club member if you're not already a member. If you are already a member, let them know that you're interested in the next model. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video, give me a like down there in the right-hand corner. I'd love to have you as a subscriber. We've got more videos on the way.